Hello everyone, welcome back to Medical Code Academic. I'm Abraham William. As I promised you last week to build your website with no using code. Today I'm gonna teach you how you create a website with WiX. So this tutorial I'm gonna take you to step by step how to build your own WiX website. So we're gonna cover every single step, a single step, a single step from sign up to WiX, and build the website from blank template and publishing in your custom domain. So if you want to build a personal website for yourself or for business, right? Or if you want to build a website for your clients, this is a tutorial. You need to watch it. So shall we begin? Let's jump to PC.